Welcome to a world of holiday magic and mantle transformations. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of Christmas mantle decoration ideas. A well-decorated mantle can bring a festive touch to your home and set the holiday spirit as soon as you walk into the room. In this guide, we'll take you through 4 unique decoration styles: a nostalgic vintage Christmas, a cozy rustic woodland, an elegant minimalist, and a kid-friendly fun mantle design. So, whether you're aiming for timeless charm, forest-inspired warmth, contemporary elegance, or something for the whole family, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and explore ways to make your mantle the heart of your holiday decor. For a vintage Christmas mantle, think about the warmth of yesteryears. This style brings the classic beauty of old-world holiday decor into your home. Start with a lush, rich green garland as your base. Choose either fresh or high-quality faux greenery like pine or fir, which adds a nostalgic charm right from the start. Layer in holly leaves, red berries, and a bit of sparkle with vintage-inspired ornaments. Incorporate nostalgic elements, add touches that evoke memories of Christmas past, like glass-blown ornaments in red, green, or silver, and ceramic Santas or snowmen that feel right out of a holiday storybook. Look for ornaments or decorations with a weathered patina, which can make them feel truly vintage and special. Antique sleigh bells or tin figurines are also lovely additions. Include heirloom touches, incorporating family heirlooms, like old photos in small frames, or adding lace stockings with intricate detailing, enhances the vintage feel. Even simple elements like brass candlesticks or a lace runner can bring sophistication and charm, making it feel like your mantle is filled with cherished memories. Add a touch of sparkle and candlelight. Light is essential to a vintage setup. Use warm white lights or vintage-style bulbs strung carefully through the garland for a soft glow. Finish with gold or brass candle holders to create a classic ambience. A warm, inviting light completes the look, casting a gentle glow over all the traditional details and creating a sense of nostalgia that everyone can enjoy. If these Christmas mantle ideas added some holiday sparkle to your plans, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love cozy, festive decor. A rustic woodland mantle brings the outdoors in, capturing the feeling of a cozy cabin nestled in the forest. Begin with a natural-looking garland of mixed greenery. Pine, cedar, and eucalyptus branches make a great combination. The key to this style is texture and layering, which gives a natural, organic feel that's both rugged and inviting. Embrace natural accents, add earthy elements like pine cones, wooden slices, and even branches of holly or ivy. You can tuck larger pine cones along the mantle or even sprinkle small pine cones in the garland to add visual interest. Incorporate pieces like birch logs or small, rustic lanterns to add a woodland-inspired charm. Bring in woodland animals. Small figurines of forest animals such as owls, deer, and foxes add a whimsical touch. These can be crafted from natural materials like wood or fabric for a more cohesive look. Placing them alongside the garland or tucked among the greenery adds a sense of enchantment, as if these little creatures have gathered to celebrate the season with you. Add cozy textures. Burlap or plaid ribbons woven through the garland, combined with wool or faux fur accents, elevate the rustic look and add warmth. To finish, place pillar candles or lanterns that evoke the glow of a fireplace. This soft lighting highlights the cozy, cabin-like atmosphere, making your mantle feel as if it's part of a serene forest retreat. What's your favorite mantle decoration for the holidays? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're adding a bit of magic to your mantle this season. An elegant minimalist mantle focuses on simplicity and sophistication. This style is ideal if you love clean lines, a restrained color palette, and an uncluttered look. Start with a sleek, narrow garland of eucalyptus or olive branches. This greenery is delicate, understated, and gives your mantle a modern yet festive touch. Limit color and go for metallics. Keep your color scheme to 1 or 2 shades. Silver and white or gold and cream work beautifully. Add metallic accents in the form of slender candlesticks, minimalistic ornaments, or small sculptures that add interest without overwhelming the simplicity. The metallic elements provide a touch of elegance while keeping with the understated theme. Create vertical elements, use tall, thin candle holders or taper candles in crystal or metallic finishes for height. You might also add a few elegant, slender Christmas trees or decorative cones in a modern, minimalist style. These elements draw the eye up, enhancing the clean, sophisticated lines of the mantel. Use strategic lighting. For a minimalist mantel, less is more with lighting. A single strand of fairy lights, carefully woven into the garland, provides a subtle glow. Alternatively, a few strategically placed candles create soft lighting without overwhelming the design. The result is a chic, serene ambience that feels effortlessly elegant and invites calm into the holiday hustle and bustle. For more holiday decor inspiration, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're always updated with our latest festive ideas. A kid-friendly and fun mantel lets creativity and whimsy shine. This approach invites kids to help decorate and makes the mantel a playful focal point for family gatherings. Start with a colorful garland, perhaps in bright felt or fabric, to bring a cheerful base to the setup. You could also use a garland of paper chains or even handcrafted pieces that kids can help make. Add vibrant colors and patterns. Don't shy away from bright reds, greens, blues, and golds. Look for stockings with fun patterns, like candy canes or snowflakes, and hang them where kids can easily see and enjoy them. You can even use multicolored ornaments or light-up garlands that add an extra bit of sparkle and fun. Incorporate interactive decor, a countdown calendar, chalkboard with holiday messages, or small toys and figurines add an interactive element to the mantel. Kids can move pieces, change the countdown each day, and feel like they're part of the holiday setup. Soft, plush holiday characters, like Santa, snowmen, or reindeer, make the mantel safe and kid-friendly while adding a joyful feel. Add festive lights and personalized touches. Use colorful, battery-operated string lights or LED characters to add a glowing and playful effect. Personalized touches, like small photo frames or crafts made by the kids, make the mantel uniquely theirs. The result is a lively, joyful display that brings smiles and a sense of holiday magic to the whole family. Check out our holiday decor playlist for even more seasonal inspiration, from Christmas trees to cozy fireplace setups. As we wrap up today's journey through Christmas mantel decoration ideas, let's take a moment to reflect on what makes these holiday traditions so meaningful. Decorating a mantel isn't just about arranging garlands or picking out ornaments, it's about creating a space that reflects warmth, love, and the joy of the season. Each decision you make, from choosing a style to adding those unique, personalized touches, becomes part of a cherished tradition, and ultimately, it becomes part of your family's holiday memories. Imagine the soft glow of candles illuminating your carefully chosen decorations, the twinkle of lights casting a warm glow on ornaments that may have been passed down through generations. These decorations are more than just objects, they are symbols of togetherness, of moments shared, and of the love that fills a home. Each year, as you unpack your holiday decorations, you're opening a box of memories, reminders of past celebrations, and the people who joined you. And each new season is an opportunity to add fresh memories, new touches that bring warmth to your home. Your mantel often serves as a focal point, a backdrop for gatherings, and even as a space for quiet reflection on those still winter nights. Whether you're gathered with friends for holiday festivities, spending an evening with family, or even taking a moment alone to appreciate the beauty of the season, the mantel can become a personal oasis of calm and cheer. Want to recreate today's festive mantel look? Check the description for links to all the decorations featured so you can bring that same magic to your own home. Think about how each style we discussed brings something special to the atmosphere. A vintage mantel invites nostalgia, bringing back memories of holidays long past, filled with family traditions and heirloom decorations. A rustic woodland mantel feels like stepping into a cozy cabin, reminding us of the beauty of nature, simplicity, and the serene feeling of a snowy forest. The minimalist mantel speaks to those who find peace and simplicity, creating a refined backdrop that allows the essence of the season to shine through in an uncluttered, meaningful way. And for families, a fun and kid-friendly mantel creates an environment where children feel welcome to take part, to explore and enjoy, making Christmas a magical experience they'll remember as they grow.